Ranger Stephanie.
And Ranger Claire.
We're the Bird Nerd Rangers from Seven Island State Birding Park, and we're back again this week to teach you more bird songs and bird calls and imitations. What are we doing this week, Claire?
So Stephanie, this week we're going to do the common backyard birds. These 5 birds are ones that you will probably see or hear in your yard or your neighborhood. So enjoy the video. Tea-kettle, 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 tea. Tea-kettle, 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 tea.
Is that a Carolina wren that I'm hearing?
Tea-kettle, tea-kettle, tea-kettle.
No, that's just Ranger Claire.
Carolina wrens are a small bird with reddish-brown colors on their back and a long tail that's often turned upward. They have a large head and appear to have no neck and a long, slender, down-curved bill. You can identify them also by a long white eye stripe and white chin and throat. You'll often see them searching for insects and fruit around tree trunks.
And here's Ranger Stephanie and her fledgling imitating a tufted titmouse. They sure love sunflower seeds.
A tufted titmouse is a little gray bird with large black eyes and a black patch above its small rounded bill. And you can't forget that characteristic crested tuft, which is part of their name. They carry seeds to a perch and crack them with sharp wax of their bill. You'll often see them flocking with chickadees, nuthatches, and woodpeckers.
I think I hear a white-breasted nuthatch going yank, 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 yank. Nope, it's just Ranger Claire.
White-breasted nuthatches have large heads and almost no neck, it appears. They have a short tail with a long, narrow, straight bill, and you can identify them also by their grayish-blue backs and white face and underbelly. They have sometimes a small chestnut color under their tail. These birds are very agile, and they creep along trunks and large branches, probing into bark crevices. They often turn sideways and upside down on vertical surfaces as they forage. They are often found in mature woods and woodland edges.
I think I hear a mourning dove. No, it's just Ranger Claire again.
Mourning doves are gray birds with large black spots on their wings. They often have a pale peach-colored chest and belly feathers and a long thin tail and pinkish legs. Don't let the plump body fool you. They are very fast flyers. They are found often in fields or patches of bare ground, busily feeding on seeds that they store in an enlargement of their esophagus called the crop. When their crop is filled, they will fly to a perch where they can then safely digest their meal.
Ranger Claire thinks she has heard an American crow. So let's go by Ranger Claire and check out what she's listening to and seeing.
American crows are large, long-legged, thick-necked black birds with a heavy, straight bill. They are very social and sometimes form flocks in the thousands. They are also very good learners and problem solvers, but they can also be aggressive and often chase away larger birds, including hawks, owls, and herons.
Thanks for tuning in this week to watch us once again make fools of ourselves and imitate bird songs and bird calls. That's what we're here for. If you didn't learn anything, I hope at least it was entertaining.
And stay tuned next week for part 2 of Backyard Birds. Also, look at our Facebook group or our website to find out about our upcoming programs. We have some more Birding by Ear programs coming up soon, so we hope to see you out there.
See you next time.